Well, welcome back to the Tamiya Australia channel, guys. So today's video I'm shooting in a little bit of a different location. This is actually my office at home. I've got all of my sort of favourite Tamiya cars here behind me, and today is actually just the official release list for June 2024. So I thought I'd just do a quick update, shoot a quick video, let you guys know what's happening, what's coming out, and then next video I'll do maybe some more unboxing or show you my wall in my garage or something like that. So I'm going to read this as I go, so if I'm looking down, that's why I'm looking down. But basically I'll just doing the RC stuff if you haven't seen one of my official release list videos before. So it's just RC releases, none of the other Tamiya stuff. There's plenty of Tamiya stuff comes every month, but this is just RC stuff because basically this is all I'm interested in, to be honest. So first of all, we've got the 22082 TA08R upper deck with a 2mm thickness. Next we have 22083, the TA08 aluminium front upper arm mount, aluminium rather than carbon, so that's pretty cool. And of course the rear 22084, TA08 aluminium rear upper arm mount, and 22085 TA08 reinforced rear body mount set. Next two items on the list are the actual maybe a video a couple of months back I posted, Top Force and Manta Ray. So they're actually going to be releasing them to the public in June. So 3 or 4 weeks from now, you should be able to get your hands on one if you haven't got one already. I tell you, have a couple downstairs that have had a new inbox for a while, so bringing them back out again sort of changes the value of those ones, but never mind, as long as everyone gets what they want, that's what matters, I guess. Tamiya collectors all have a bit of fear of missing out, and I definitely suffer with FOMO, so maybe I'll get another Top Force. Anyway, never mind. All right, next we got the 47509 XM01 titanium screw set. Next after that is 51747 XM01 B parts, which is the bumper. And then we've got 51748 XM01 C parts, which is the uprights. 51749 XM01 D parts, which is the suspension arm. And then we have a new body on a MB01 chassis, which is the 58734. So it's a Citroen DS on an MB01. So that's pretty cool looking. Coming up is going to be a really cool one, which I'm really excited about, which I am going to definitely get. So next we got 58738 XM01 Pro chassis kit. So you can just buy the kit by itself, basically. This one is something that I love, NSX. I think I might have an NSX here somewhere. I love Honda NSX or Acura NSX if you're in America. So we've got a release of a 1998 NSX Racing on a TTO2 chassis, which is kit number 58739. How good is that? Awesome. I love NSX so much. And lucky last is the Tamiya RC Guidebook Volume number 23, 2024 Spring and Summer Edition, which is number 64453. Now, again, I go through these things so fast and I just keep talking, and I know it can just be a bit monotonous, the sound of my voice, but I get a bit excited. And I'm trying to read because it's hard to read, well, hard to memorize all those numbers and read them out and get them sort of coherent. So I hope this is okay. I'm just going to do these videos every month, basically, when they get the official release list through. Like I said, next video I'll do an unboxing. I've had heaps of comments on one of my Instagram posts about my wall that's in my garage with heaps and heaps of kits on. So I might do a video about that and just show you guys basically what I got in there. There is a video I did ages and ages ago putting everything back up on the wall after it came out of storage, but I never really explained what they were or anything about the kits. So I might do a video about that. I think that may be a little bit interesting, but I hope you've enjoyed this one, and definitely going to see you very, very soon. I think I've upkept my one video a week, which I said I would do. So, and guys are watching, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. So I do, yeah, it's awesome. Thank you. If you do like it, thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell icon. It'll tell you when new videos are coming. So we're going to see you in our next video, guys. So bye. So if you like this video, there's plenty more on our channel that you're going to love. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Check out some of the other videos that we've made. I'm sure you'll like them.